To get a new Twic card, also known as requesting a replacement for a Twic card, you need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the reason for the replacement, such as a lost, stolen, or damaged card. Next, go to the Transportation Security Administration website and fill out the online application. Selecting the replacement option, you will need to provide your name, date of birth, and social security number to verify your identity. Then, visit a Universal Enrollment Services Center, where you will need to provide the required documentation, such as a valid government-issued photo ID, proof of citizenship or immigration status, and proof of identity. You will also need to pay the replacement fee, which is currently $75, and provide fingerprints and a photo. After submitting your application, your new Twic card will be mailed to you within 7 to 10 business days. It is essential to note that you should only use the official TSA website and authorized enrollment centers to avoid scams and ensure the security of your personal information. Additionally, if your card is lost or stolen, report it to the TSA and your employer immediately to prevent any potential security risks. By following these steps, you can obtain a replacement Twic card efficiently and securely. Remember to keep your new card in a safe place to avoid any future replacement issues. It is also recommended to check the TSA website for any updates on the replacement process and to ensure you have the most current information. By doing so, you can ensure a smooth and successful replacement process for your Twic card.